Playbite app, mobile arcade, play fun games with friends. So double click to install it, and then yeah, here you can just install this app, and it's a mini game app where you can play fun games and compete with your friends. Play original mini games, they're super fun and simple. Compete with friends to see who's best. Climb the game's leaderboards and collect cute in-game characters. So let's just take a look at it. So this app is, climbing in the charts itself. So which prize would you like to win the most? And then basically you have a bunch of apps in games here. And then you just tap to play, and there are a lot of ads here. And then you are here. All right, so you're just competing with other people. So this is like a and then you're just earning points. So pretty cool. So you're earning points, and then you just getting spins and watching ads. And that's basically the idea. So here is you can see how much you need, and then you have a streak, and then you just play, and then you can create an account here to and I don't know how legit is it. Can you earn actually the gift card here? And yeah, but pretty cool. So yeah, just create your account with Google or Apple, and let's see if this app is legit.